A team hosting an event to raise money for new uniforms plans to sell at least 140 tickets before this event and at least 220 tickets during this event to raise a total of at least 5820 from all tickets sold. So we have two events, before the event and during the event. The price of a ticket during this event is $3 less than the price of a ticket before this event. So I'm gonna say before the event. Okay, before the event should be in cyan color, and during the event is green color. So which inequality represents this situation where X is the price in dollars of a ticket sold during this event. So it says during this event, the price of each ticket is X dollars. So let's start with the last one. We'll say X dollars. So during the event, we got X dollars per ticket. And this will say a before. Before the event, we are not given any variable. Okay, so how does it tie up with the X? Well, it says the price of a ticket during this event is $3 less than the price. Okay, so if you say the before event as, let's just say Y dollar per ticket, we're saying that during this event, X in green, X, okay, I'll highlight the part I'm translating here. Okay, the one I'm highlighting is telling us to translate that during the event, the price of a ticket is X, because that's what I wrote here. X is $3 less than, okay, Y minus 3. 3 less than the price of a ticket before this event, before I chose this blue or cyan color. Just $3 less than Y, so you say Y minus 3. But if you look at the answer choices, none of them have the variable Y, because I just made up. So to satisfy it, all you have to do is just add 3 on both sides, and you're gonna get Y equals X plus 3, and that will replace here in terms of X. So I can rewrite this as, instead of just Y, let's just say X plus 3. Okay, so now we have to work on this $5820. So we're gonna have to add both income or revenue during and before, and we want this total to be at least 5820. Now, for us to get there before we add them up, we got the unit rate, dollar per ticket, but this is dollar, so we need to multiply the number of tickets. Okay, so it said we want at least 140 tickets, so let's put 140. Okay, 140 tickets. And then at least 220 tickets. Oh, I think I mixed them up. Okay, so 140 on the bottom. And 220 tickets on the top. Now it said they want to raise at least $5820. Okay. Now you will see the unit tickets goes away when you multiply these unit rate with the number of tickets. When they say at least, yeah, you can sell more, but let's just keep it 220 for now. Okay. Because the more you sell, the more income you get. So it's good to choose the lowest you can have. Okay, so Yeah. So let's say when you multiply this, you get 220x, and here you're gonna get 140x plus 3. Now, when you add these both income or revenue from during and before, did I say? Yeah, during and before. Yeah, 220x plus 140x plus 3 has to be greater than or equal to, because of the word at least here, 5820. Okay, we want to raise more money than 5820. So based on that alone, you can eliminate choice A and choice C. Okay, so that means our answer should be B, because the choice D has minus, and we don't want that. We need a plus based on rearrangement of the highlighted sentence. Okay, so B is the answer.